reading me bad books. Let's go right here.
Did.
No, look.
Dot.
Dot is the name of the girl. Dot.
Said.
Nope.
Shall.
Sow, huh? But saw.
Saw.
Yeah. A-W is like saw.
Saw. A hill.
Hill. Dot saw a hill.
W. Dot. Saw a hill.
Yeah. This is long.
Can.
She.
Dot.
Go.
Go to the top.
Yep. Question mark. Good job. Can she go to the top?
Can. She. Dot.
Do.
It.
Yep. Question mark. Good job. Can she do it? Let's read fast. Can she go to the top?
Can she go to the top?
Can she do it?
Can she do it? Dot. One.
Ran. Period. Stop. Dot ran.
Dot ran. Do it.
Exclamation point. That's excited. Excitement.
So dot.
Do it. Dot.
Do it dot.
Dot ran. Do it. Dot.
Dot ran. Do it dot.
D.
What? She did it.
She did it.
It.
Oi.
It.
Right here.
Dot.
Dot
Is on at
Dot.
the top.
Wow. She did it. Dot is at the top.
She did it. Dot is out up the top. At the top.
Good job. What's next?
Dot. She
Saw.
saw Matt.
Matt.
Can.
Uh-huh.
Said.
She. S-H is sh. Uh-huh. They are friends. Combine letters. Remember combine letters? Sh. E. She.
Tag.
Tag. Matt. Good job. Question mark. Dot saw Matt. Can she tag Matt?
Dot saw Matt. Can she tag Matt?
Good job. Oh, what happened?
Dot fell down.
Nope.
Fell.
Fell. That fell. Because you put it lot of word. You said that fell down. It's really true in the picture. That fell down. But you gotta focus on what's in here written. Yeah. That.
Fell.
No, you said stop. Stop. There's period. That fell.
Dot fell. Do.
Nope.
Did. Dot.
That.
Did not tag Matt.
Good job. That fell. Dot did not tag Matt.
Dot fell. Dot did not tag Matt.
Oh man.
Get up, Matt.
Oh.
Get up.
What's it said?
Get up.
Get
Get up.
up.
Do. Dot.
Get up. Dot.
Do it.
Good job. Get up. Dot. Do it.
Get up. Dot. Do it.
Yep.
Dot. Dot.
Dot.
Up.
Period. Stop here. Dot. Dot. Up.
Dot. Got up.
What you do?
She
Uh-huh.
ran.
Ran. Ran.
Dot.
Nope.
Do
Do.
it.
Did.
Dot.
Dot. Good job. Exclamation point. I will read fast, okay? Dot got up. She ran and ran. Do it, Dot.
Dot got up.
Mhm.
She ran and ran.
Uh-huh.
Do it, Dot.
Good job.
She
She.
did it.
Excited. Just exclamation point.
It.
She did it.
She did it. Dot did tag Matt.
Good job. She did it. Dot did tag Matt.
She did it. Dot did tag Matt. The end.
Kuha na ng maning isipin.
That one. Oh.
Doon na siya nasa. Muni ang among gigamit kang Matias o kang isipin. Medyo na mo gi. Gilimit ka na kapay magsunod. Nga isipin.
That's small ever.
Oh, yeah. You're the best kid ever. You're the best student ever. Let's go sa Matias na math. You like the math, Matias? I think we're is in the math. Facts.
Get.
What's inside words, my love?
Dot.
What's this? Get. Go. Ooh, what's that? Go. 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 Now go. What are the sight words, my love? Right here.
Go.
Sight words.
It.
Get.
Go.
Go.
Off.
Off. Good job. What's the title?
Frog.
Frog. Sat. Good job, love.
Birthday.
Sight na siya. Sight na siya. Ganahan na siya.
Wait, it says even before space.
That is. What's it here?
A frog sat on a bed.
Good job. A frog sat on a bed.
A frog sat on a bed.
Good job.
Get off, frog.
Nope. Follow. H-E. The very useful. Da. Back here.
Get off.
The.
Bed, frog.
Good job. Pause right here because there's period. Get off the bed, frog. So pause a little bit in the bed because there's sama, okay? Get off the bed, frog.
Get off the bed, frog. Go in the pond.
Good
See
job.
the mean guy.
But this performance supposed to be in the bed. You want the frog in the bed? What's next?
A cub
Cub, good job.
sat
Sat.
on a log.
Good job. A cub sat on a log.
A cub sat on a log.
Good job.
Get off. Did
The get off the
log.
rug.
Cub
Cub.
go to the
Where he needs to go. Look at the words. That's D.
den.
Dead. Get off the rug. Cub. Go to the den.
Get off the log. Go, cub, go to the den.
Good job.
A bug sat on a fan.
Good job. A bug sat on a fan. Good job.
Get off the fan. Bug go to
Nope.
on
On.
a walk.
Good job. Get off the fan, Bob. Go on a rock.
Go get head
They're very useful. You always forget. Go get
the bed. Ted.
Ted. Go get the bed, Ted.
Go get the bed, Ted. Go get the rug and fan.
Good job. Go get the rug and fan.
Ted has the bed, rug, and fan.
Good job.
Go.
This is only letter. No.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Okay, Ted.
Good job. Ted has the bed, rug, and fan. Okay, Ted.
So what is another Ted? Yeah, he himself.
Maybe.
He doesn't
He's just telling himself. Yeah, nobody knows. Because I thought his mom telling me. Yep, he's just talking to himself. Good job. I like it. You can,
Tell me not to do this whole one.
no, you can pick what you want to read. There you go. Which one? Which one?
Oh, I do.
Okay.
It's not a bug.
So another book. Can you read? So what's the title? Anna?
Little bug.
Little bug. What's the sight words?
At.
This one with E at the end. After T, it's 8.
Eight.
8.
Hey.
He.
Little.
Little. 8. He little. Title?
Little bug.
Little Bug. By Lynn Maslin Curtel and pictures by Sue Hendra.
A little bug sat on a walk.
Good job.
A little bug sat on a walk.
Yay, wow, nice. This is sight words.
Hey.
He.
He
Remember? Not up. There's E after the T.
Ate.
8. He ate. Look. He ate.
ate a little
What little?
sack.
Listen to your voice. Yeah, there's M. There's M. What's that?
No. That one is a hard word.
Sige na. Focus.
A
Yeah, what do you eat?
snack.
Snack. From the word, you have also the clue here. Ate. So what's he eating? Okay? He ate a little snack.
He ate a little snack.
Okay?
I thought he ate a bug.
Nope. Yeah, that's his snack, the bug. Sige na, Lina.
He ate a little ham.
Yummy. He ate a little ham.
He ate a little ham. He ate a little egg.
Yeah, good job. He ate a little egg.
He got sunglasses.
Yeah, he's cool, man. Oh, remember the useful.
Okay.
Nope, there's no Y.
Oh,
If there's no Y,
it is
remember it's usually used in the first sentence.
him.
No? Like very useful when I say the cow is pretty.
The
So this word is very useful.
little bug went
Ra.
ran
Ra.
ran
Ran. Ran.
up
Uh,
twig.
twig. The little bug ran up a twig. So you go in the twig.
The little bug went up one up a twig.
Good job.
He sat
So fancy.
in the
He sat in the
sun.
sun. He sat in the sun.
He sat on the tree.
He's cool.
He
What is he doing?
ate
Ate.
a little leaf.
Look at the word, not in the picture.
Grass.
Grass. He ate a little
I
grass.
just said another word.
Mhm.
He ate a little grass.
Come.
Peg.
Peg.
And Ted went. Got
No, Peg and Ted went
to
to
the
where'd you go?
mud.
Look up.
Rock.
Rock. Peg and Ted went to the rock.
Peg and Ted went to the rock. It is a long one.
Yeah. What did they do?
One
Run.
little bug.
Yep, run, little bug.
One little bug.
Here.
Ted.
Nope. You always forgot this word.
They.
No Y.
The
If there's Y, or T-H-E-Y, what's gonna be?
Day.
Day. So T-H-E is
The little bug. Hid.
hid.
Ok.
Nope, that's letter.
Okay.
Okay. The little bug hid, because there's a period, so stop. Yeah?
The little bug hid. Okay. Little bug.
Good job.
He ate.
Good job.
That's a good.
Very
You
good.
don't like to go.
You're doing bird a lot, because of pizza. How many books? Go. Show to them how many books you read, Ezekiel.
1, 2,
No, hold it. Show it to them.
1, 2,
Two.
wait, 1, 2,
Uh-huh.
4.
Wow. Wanna read more? Before lunch?
About 2 more books.
Okay.
And then we'll take a little rest.
Yep, for lunch.
Before we eat it.
Uh-huh.
It's almost hard.
Yeah, that's a little hard, so that's gonna be the...
And actually, I don't want to do that.
Yeah.
I like the bowl.
Because this is a level up. Okay.
Just put it back. How about when we don't want it, we put it back?
Okay. So what's the title of this? That's L.
Oh, it's really hard.
AY is A sounds. They are friends. They're put together. AY. What's AY?
A.
Okay, so put it together.
Pay.
There's L.
A. Play.
Play.
Ball.
Play ball. Yeah. What are the sight words? So the title is
Play ball.
Play ball. The same author and illustrator. Believe the play ball.
Matt.
Matt.
And
Yes.
Sam.
Sam.
Like
To
play.
play. Period. You don't say play because it's like there's something next for it. So play is period. Matt and Sam like to play.
Matt and Sam like to play.
Okay.
They
Good job. You remember the one
like
like
to play with
with
a flag.
flag. They like to play with the flag.
They like to play with a hat.
So this one we
That one can
read
use
this
it
because
as
it's
for
very
a territory.
No, that's a territory. What's next?
They like to play ball. They
No, there's no Y.
can
The useful words.
Play.
No, that's they. They like to play they like to play ball.
the
The
ball with best. Best.
okay. They like to play ball the best.
They like to play the ball the best. Oh,
Good.
oh, no.
Yep. Oh no. This is
Find
like yep. You gotta find.
Ball.
Go play it again.
Find the ball.
Good job.
Find the it
Find it.
so
So find it so
they
they
can
can
play.
play. No, not play. Because there's like what's in here? What's in here?
Question period.
Period. So what do we do?
Stop.
Stop. Find it so they can play.
Find it so they can play.
Yep.
They find a nest.
Nest. They find a nest.
They find the
Nope.
pan.
And they find a nest. They find a pan.
They find the net. They find the pan. Matt and Sam find the
Good
ball.
job.
Matt and Sam like to play ball.
Good job. Matt and Sam like to play ball.
Ding,
Ding, ding, ding. Yeah, that's jumping from. So you want one more?
Yeah, but there's one. Maybe you don't. Oh, this one.
So I'll take one. Choose which
Oh,
one
maybe the
you wanna
jet.
read.
The jet.
What's the title?
The jet.
Jet. The other one is Memorize
The
Nothing.
walkable
We read them
jet.
already.
Let's say waterboard jet.
What are the sight words?
A.
A.
Yeah. Play.
Fly.
Fly. Hat.
Okay, so the sight words are
A.
or a.
Fly.
Fly.
Hat.
Has. Good job. The title is
The jet.
The Jet. By Lynn Maslin Cartel. Pictures by Sue Hendra.
Jet.
Gina.
A bug can
Can.
fly.
A bug can fly. Good job.
A bird can fly.
Good job. A bird can fly.
Can Matt fly?
Good job. Question mark. Can Matt fly?
Matt had a car.
Matt has a car. Good job.
A car cannot fly.
A car cannot fly.
Matt has a
So what do you have? Listen.
Truck.
Matt has a truck.
truck can fly.
Can fly?
Can't fly.
Can't. I know can't, but it's not say can't. Cannot.
Cannot fly.
Okay, Matt has a truck. A truck cannot fly.
Matt has a truck. The truck cannot fly.
Okay.
Matt has a jet.
Matt has a jet.
A jet can fly.
Oh, is that question mark? What's in there? What's the question?
Period.
Period. So what with our intonation?
Stop.
Yep. So not like this. A jet can fly. Nope. But it's a period. A jet can fly.
A jet can fly.
Yep.
Matt can fly in a jet.
Good job. Matt can fly in a jet.
This is so cool.
Yeah, 'cause this is for a beginner. This one, but you get also you read already like the one the next
But
stage.
you don't need to read one more.
Just read one more. Like you should read. Ezekiel likes to
If
read.
it's a PD one, then we do another one.
Okay.
If it's PD.
Up to you, my darling. You think this one you can?
Yeah, this is only fun. But
That's A.
egg. But egg. Mate.
Make. Good job. Sige na. Makanta nyo ka mga pag-say sa sight words. Now, what's the sight words?
Make.
Make.
New.
New.
Old.
Year old. Sige na. Title.
Old truck.
The old truck. Year old.
The old truck.
By Lynn Maslin Cartel. Illustrated by illustrator is Sue Hendra.
Your stickers were there for a very long time ago.
Yeah, mommy just didn't take it. I know you guys happy whenever you see this your sticker everywhere. Yeah? Sige na.
Because then I got flavor on it in Pokemon.
I know.
A new.
Nope.
A
Yeah.
a
That's A.
new.
What you doing? You're here.
A
That's A.
a
Good, good. Yeah, A. What's that?
An old truck
truck
sat
in
in the sand.
the job. An old truck sat in the sand.
The old truck sat in the sand.
Next,
It
was
new.
no right here.
Not
Not
new.
new. The job it was not new.
That's Matthias.
I know.
That's
That's his school.
me. Ted.
Ted, you like it? The game in your math?
Dug
No, Doug.
in
This one.
up
Up.
Oh.
Ted dug up
the
the
old
old truck. Ted dug up the old truck.
bit at
Was
in
nope.
it
It
was junk.
jump. You jump up? Question mark.
What is junk?
Yep.
Can the
Nope.
Ted
make
the old truck new?
Good job. That's question mark. Can Ted make the old truck new? Yeah. Fix. Good job. Fix
The old patch.
parts. Good job. Write down. Fix the old parts.
Fix the old part. Match.
Nope. Nope. The right words.
Oh.
A. That's A.
A
What's that?
make
Make
in it
it
red.
red. Make it red. Yep.
All
Old.
Taught to
To old to
new.
excitement.
New.
Yeah, 'cause exclamation. Old to new.
Old to new. Made
Make.
it new. New.
Old to new. Make it new.
Old to new. Make it new. Ted
Ted
it did
did
make
Make
it the
Ted did make the
old truck new.
good job. Ted did make the old truck new.
The end.
Good job, love. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yay, good job.
Oh, you did more. You did
Good job, Max. Killing ha.
But the X sounded pretty hard.
It's not really hard. No, the other book of this is not for kindergarten. It's like a level. So look, kindergarten and first grade. So this one, I'm thinking this one. Let me see. See, look. So he's reading first grade like this. So you read the first grade. So that one is first grade. This one kindergarten. Well, that one is hard. This one is kindergarten. That's why it's easy. So you read kindergarten. Yep, that's the level up. This one is first grade. The one with play ball with ASAM. And you read also this one's kindergarten. That's correct for his one. And this one is first grade. Look at Ezekiel. The old chapter is first grade. So you did a good job.
And the jet.
The jet is for kindergarten. That's easy one.
Yeah, because you're almost here.
Yeah, this one are first grade. Like next stage for you, but you are kindergarten. So yeah, basta siya kapag first grade.
Probably because another
Kindergarten.
grade.
Yeah.
Now I'm second. 7, 0. 1 times 6 means 6.
Oh, that's a big one.
Now. Wow.
Oh,
Oh, that would be after 1 defeat 42.
what's happened?
Then 0.
Good job.
40. Oh, 0. And then 12.
Watch ka ni brother, do sa math.
Wow.
Wow, you know, 2080.
42.
I think, Matthias, you me. Oh, she's 5,000 now. Oh my gosh.
0.
He's kicking.
12. 8.
Oh gosh.
Okay, 42. Okay, 3.
Uy,
Okay,
34.
now 12.
Shante.
0. 0.
Oh, look. Matthias is gonna beat me.
4. You're great with numbers.
Oh, she's tuan. Oh, concentrate si Matthias.
Okay, then 42. 0. Okay, then 42. And
He's recording.
12.
Oh, he's gonna beat me.
Oh, not gonna be.
Oh, just little na lang. Wait, wait. I'm in 6,660. Matthias is 6,300 now.
Okay,
Oh my goodness.
Point.
Bye.
And-
One last more. I think you beat me already.
Okay, 9.
Oh, he did. He did beat me already. 6,890. Come on, Matthias. You can do it until 10,000.
Okay, then 9.
The goal, the goal.
0. You get me bird.
Matthias likes this game.
0.
It's a math
Oh no.
What? Look. Matthias beat me. Look, new high score. Good job, babe.
I beat it by high score.
You did. You beat me.
And beat myself.
You beat yourself your high score. And you beat me. Good job. Okay.
Yeah, you're good.
Ano siya? Ano? Sudah na natin nurse na yun. Sudah. Nag-kiss sila. Nag-log din siya mo. Nag-log. Yeah. Ready? One. Nilababo.
Thank you for watching. Gunta, may kita-kita pa kita sa sunod na higayon. God bless everyone.